or different department, they have completed their graduation. Then that's why I appeared many time exam, but I didn't clear it. Maybe lack of knowledge or something. Right now, I want to enhance my English speaking because I have a long term and short term goal on my hands. In future, what happen? Let's see. Right now, I am focusing how to speak better English like you. Yeah. How many languages do you know? Tamil and English, right? Telugu and English. Have you been Odisha? Okay. Then which department do you wanna join if you get chance? IT sector. Once again, because you leave that job, right? You left that job. Once again, do you wanna go that department? Okay, that's good. Do you talk with anyone in English at your home? Okay. How long have you been using this platform? 3 months. Okay. You speak so slowly. Why you speak? I think are you in outside? Okay, because you don't want to disturb other family members, right? Yeah, I speak loudly because if you talk with anyone, if you speak slowly, that person cannot understand how can go ahead our conversation, right? Yeah, you can understand because I am speaking loudly, clearly, but I cannot hear you clearly and completely. It is hard to listen. Yeah. And do you wanna enhance your English speaking? Okay. Then how do you practice with your language? Okay. Apart from this platform, do you use different platform to enhance your English speaking? Okay. You use only this platform, right? Okay. How much time do you invest with language per day? How much time do you invest through platform per day? Pardon? 2 hours. Okay. That is a good investment, right? And you are a good speaker, no need to practice lots of time. But if we don't talk with anyone daily 10 to 20 minutes per day, then we may lose our fluency and confidence, right? And language depends practice. That's why we are here to interact with each other because I don't know your native language Tamil, you don't know my native language Odia. Still, we are communicating each other through English language, right? Yeah. This platform is a good platform. Pardon? Pardon? Okay, I speak well. Do I speak well? Okay, you can understand perfectly. That's why you think I can speak good English, but I can speak only 5%. I require 95% on my perspective. Because I don't have lots of vocabulary inside my head. I speak normally, casual, simple conversation with anyone. Where are you from? What do you do? What's your future plan? What's your long term and short term goal? What you wanna be? And that kind of casual conversation, not a professional way of talking, right? That is a different manner, and it is a language, and language and communication is a different, right? Language is a language and communication is an art, because if you have deep knowledge about any subject, then you become a good communicator, right? Because if you have good command at English communication, then you can influence the crowd, you can attract with anyone through your communication, right? That's why communication break you, communication make you. Yeah, but it require daily practice, not only single day. No one can get overnight, right? Because even though you see who are good speaker, they are also doing hard work. It depends hard work and your time, how much time do you invest with language, and it depend upon you. Because if you think I want to speak better English but you never do hard work, then how can you speak better way, right? That kind of people now they always think I want to speak better English like a foreigner, but they never do practice properly, right? They practice, they always take two skill, listening and speaking, but they never focus reading and writing, right? Because if you we have to practice how to reading, we have to practice how to listening, we have to practice how to writing, we have to practice how to speaking, we have to do lsrw continuously, regularly, daily, simultaneously, right? Per day. And language require 20% theory, 80% practice. It is a bitter truth, right? Yeah, but we have to do regularly, because today you invest 2 hours with language and tomorrow you don't practice, and next tomorrow, day after tomorrow, day before tomorrow, you don't do anything, then it will take time. Language always takes time to be better, right? Yeah, it depends upon person to person. Some are quick learner, some are slow learner, right? Everyone has no equal, everyone is not equal learner. Some are quick learner, if they adopt and capture something inside their head, they never forget, right? Anything. And they miss create a new technique, formula and idea how to learn language. Even though you see polyglot, right? Foreigner are polyglots, they learn 20 languages, 40 languages. They know how to learn language, right? But we are struggling to speak single one language, English, right? Even though you see India is a languages country, all state have different languages, at least we can speak 4 5 languages as a Indian, right? But foreigner has one culture, one language, one accent, right? But they can learn 20 30 languages, right? They adopt language and they can learn easily. But we are struggling to speak only single one language, that is a English, right? Because we are living in languages country, but we are struggling because we don't know how to learn language, right? But they know how to learn language, and they are doing also still hard work, right? They are ready to learn any language. That's why they are